Hello guys, welcome back again. Today I'm going to show to you how to create the kind of text effect or text motion that you saw on the previous intro. And the way to create it, you just need to use your CapCut mobile or maybe your CapCut desktop as you want. And then the next step, you just need to open a new page or a new project and insert this black screen background. And the next step, you just need to insert a text onto this clip. So add a text. For me, I'm just going to type maybe dissolve like this and go to the fonts. Change the font onto a bolder font like this and go to the style if you want to change the color of it and like that. And you can increase the size of the text like this. Okay. When you're done, the next step, you just need to click the text one more time again and go to this animation section. This one, click it and scroll up the animation choice until you found this dissolve animation, this one. And then you just need to insert it onto the text like this and adjust the speed from the animation or the motion. Then the next step, go to this out animation, same as the previous step we do. In the out motion, we will going to add this dissolve motion onto the text. So just swipe up, scroll up or scroll down, depends on which direction you came to the animation section. Okay, and then try to find the dissolve animation or the dissolve motion, this one, click it and adjust the position of it. Make sure it has a same duration and exact motion that you want. So okay, I will try to use it. And now I'm going to improvise this effect by first duplicate this text clip, okay, like this, and then increase the length of the duration from the first text clip, okay, like this. And the next step, go to the second text clip, this one, and positioning it onto the exact same duration as the motion from the previous text design like this. Okay, and then the next part, you just need to click this second text clip and then change the color of it onto the exact color that you want. So for me, I'm just going to change it onto this orange color, this one. And when you're done changing the color of it, this is the final result of it. And as you can see, the text is appearing and changing color from white onto orange and reappearing or disappear. And at first it's changing onto white color, and the last part it's changing onto the black color or it's disappear from the screen. And that's the way how to create this text animation on CapCut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.